In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Mailerlite for email marketing. In this part of the process, you are going to create a sign-up form inside Mailerlite. Connect it to the subscriber group you already created earlier. Design the form, and then publish it so it can be added to your website. This is an important part of email marketing because the form is what allows new visitors to join your email list. Once the form is connected to the correct group, every new subscriber can be organized properly inside your Mailerlite account. To begin, open your Mailerlite dashboard and look at the main navigation menu. From there, go to the Forms tab. This is where Mailerlite keeps the tools for creating sign-up forms, pop-ups, and promotional forms. Once you are on the Forms page, look for the Create button and select it. This will start the form creation process and take you to the area where you can choose what kind of form you want to build. Now you will need to choose the type of form you want to create. Mailerlite gives you a few options, such as a pop-up, an embedded form, or a promotion. A pop-up is a form that appears on top of your website content, usually after a visitor has spent some time on the page or taken a certain action. An embedded form is placed directly into a page on your website, such as in a blog post, footer, sidebar, or landing page section. A promotion form is useful when you want to highlight a specific offer or campaign. Choose the form type that best matches how you want visitors to subscribe. After selecting the form type, Mailerlite will ask you to name your form. Choose a clear name that helps you recognize the purpose of the form later. This name is mainly for your own organization inside Mailerlite, so it should be simple and descriptive. For example, you might use a general name that reminds you where the form will be placed or what audience it is for. Avoid using any private or sensitive information in the form name. Next, select the subscriber group you created in Part 2. This is the group where people will be added when they complete the form. Selecting the correct group matters because it keeps your email list organized from the beginning. It also helps you send future emails to the right audience. Once the group is selected, you can continue to the form editor. In the editor, you can design the fields and layout of your form. Start by reviewing the fields that are already included. Most sign-up forms include an email address field, and you may also choose to include a name field if that fits your email marketing strategy. Keep the form simple, so it is easy for visitors to complete. The fewer required fields you have, the faster it will be for someone to subscribe. Now adjust the layout and appearance of the form. You can customize the text, spacing, button style, and overall design so it fits your website and brand. Make sure the form is clear and easy to read. The button should also have a clear action, such as inviting the visitor to subscribe or join your list. Take a moment to preview the form and make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. When you are happy with the design, click Save and Publish. This saves your form settings and makes the form ready to use. Publishing the form does not automatically place it on your website, but it prepares the form so you can add it wherever you want it to appear. After publishing, Mailerlite will provide an embed code. Copy the embed code exactly as it is shown. This code is what connects the form from Mailerlite to your website. Once copied, go to your website editor or website files and paste the code into the HTML area where you want the form to appear. If you are adding it to a specific page, place it in the HTML section for that page. If you are adding it to a sidebar, footer, or custom section, paste it into the appropriate HTML block or code area. Once the code is added, save or update your website. Then view the page to make sure the form appears correctly. If everything looks good, your Mailerlite sign-up form is now live and ready to collect subscribers into the group you selected. That covers everything you need to know.